So I'm looking on the back end of this boat, the transmission. See the water? That's the shaft seal. That's the traditional shaft seal.
Yep.
The green ground wires for the bonding wires. This is a water injection hose to cool the shaft seal. But the scary part is right here, this flange. The flange that bolts the transmission to the propeller shaft is underwater. So if you run this thing, it will splash water up and it will scare you to death. You'll think that the boat is sinking, and if you put it in neutral, it'll stop rotating and it'll stop splashing. So there I can see your other bilge pump, that red top down there that's not working. Go ahead and turn it on and we'll pump it out now and see what's going on. And we'll see if this is the bilge pump that's actually running. That's a small size pump too. Now you can see.
I've got the forward on now.
We'll pump out the engine room.
Yeah.
Do you have two bilge pumps in the engine room?
Yeah, the forward pump is in the engine room.
Well, here's one under the shaft.
Isn't the forward bilge with anything?
The bilge is, but the pump is back here. The pump.
Okay, this pump is running. I can feel it. It's running.
That should be the aft pump.
Okay, so you can see how the bolts right here, they just splash, and you'll think that the boat's sinking. But that's all it is, just a splash from the shaft coupling. So let's get this water out. I've tasted it. It's fresh water. It's not salt water. So it's got to be rainwater. That's all it is.